Tex Light Epoxy, pour on tabletop bar top. Get our mixing. All right, we're gonna it's my first try. Here we go. I'll pour it on. It's self-leveling. I did use my laser. So we should be pretty level. And it's just going to run right over the edge. There it goes. Hey, that's a cute little sneeze. See, Deb, that's where we put that plastic down. We'd have a mess, wouldn't we? She doesn't like to talk or be on camera. That's all right. That's a cute little sneeze there. I think I'll keep you. All right. We can take a video of our doggy. He's in the house there. He wasn't happy when we were out here without him. All right, let's put some more on. We have a 20-minute working time. Oh boy. Some people use their hands, so we'll try that. Get it all on the edge here. Hey, did you hear that? Excuse me. I think it's looking pretty good.
What kind of wood is this?
This is a piece of chestnut oak. I have some more left, so let's go ahead and dump it on. It'll just make it thicker. Excuse me. It is self-leveling. So once I do this, I think that I'll just let it alone. Just go over the edges here. It was important to keep it level. So since I am a drywall acoustical ceiling guy, I got my laser out, and it's within a 1/4 inch on one side, 1/2 inch on the other. So I think it should be pretty good. You like how shiny?
Yeah.
Good.
I can't say no. I have to say yes.
No, you don't have to. If you don't like it, you don't like it.
I do like it.
Good. We're going to try this maybe as our TV table. All right, see how the bubbles are coming up?
Now what do we do?
Well, they're going to pop a little bit, and I'm going to leave my gloves on for a while because I got to like chase the bottom here. See how we're dripping off the edge? Look all underneath. Can you film under there at all? See up under there, them bubbles? See all them drippies? So I'm going to try to catch those. And I might be doing this for hours because it's going to keep wanting to self-level. Some people sand them off when they're done, but I know Trevor, my son, did an epoxy countertop. And he didn't think about the bottom, or probably he did, and maybe they just kept coming. So he has a little bit on there. But I think his tabletop came out great, don't you?
Mm-hmm.
All right. So, I guess we could stop filming for now if you want, or just get a nice panoramic, how shiny and everything if you want. And then we'll just watch the time. It's just 20 minutes. I don't know how long it takes till I can put the heat gun on, but sooner the better.